Hello. Before we go live this afternoon, I would just put a warning out there that we are using a whole suckling pig this afternoon. So if you'd rather not see it, please switch off now. If you've got any young children that may be upset by seeing it, please just switch off now. Thank you. Good afternoon, everybody. Nice to see you. A little bit of an extra one this week. I wanted to prepare the suckling pig today, ready for cooking tomorrow. As it's going to take probably about 8 hours to cook. So what we're going to do, we've got our pig here, but first of all, I'm just going to prepare the stuffing. So this is a traditional 15th century recipe of stuffing. Now we're going to, first of all, I'm going to put the breadcrumbs into my bowl here. So that's 6 slices of bread made into breadcrumbs. We've got a nice lot of stuff in there. And then we need, we need 3 eggs. So these just need whisking up a little bit, and this is going to bind all of the breadcrumbs together. So using our little whisk made of the little sticks that you've seen before, just whisk those up there. Okay, that should do fine. Right. Now, before we put the eggs in, what I'm going to add to that first is a cup of raisins. So add those in there. Those in a little bit, and some spices. So we're going to put first of all, we're going to put some salt, so half a teaspoon of salt in there, bring out that flavour, and a little bit of pepper, the same, about half a teaspoon of pepper there. Now we're adding ginger. Now it says a teaspoon of ginger, so we're going to get that nice gingery flavour through that there. That's the ginger. And the last ingredient to go in is our saffron. Now saffron was incredibly expensive, so this is a very, very expensive dish to do. So let's just put those there. Okay. Now, so let's just I'm going to just use my spoon and mix all the dry ingredients together. Get all those spices through the breadcrumbs there, and make sure all the raisins are broken up, that none of them are sticking together. Oh, getting that nice ginger and peppery smell there. That's lovely. Right, that's just going to add the eggs. So let's just mix this up to make a lovely stuff in there. Now you need to get the eggs right through those breadcrumbs. Yeah, and that'll cook nicely, and that'll sort of all set together, and the eggs will get nicely into those breadcrumbs and all those spices. Lovely mixture there. Now we don't need the spoon because we know the next bit is all with our hands. So what we're going to do is just going to bring the pig over to the middle. Right, I'm going to put him on the spit first, and then we're going to pack all the stuffing around him. I'm just going to feed this through the middle here. Get through. Okay, that's that through. Now, just need to push this in so it doesn't, when it's roasting, it doesn't slide around on the spit. So we want to be able to turn it and to cook it evenly all the way around. So that's that. Now what we're going to do is stuff the cavity here with all this lovely stuff in. I'm just going to take handfuls and just pack that into there. Right inside there nicely, using it all up. Last that's all packed up inside there nicely. Now, we don't want this to come out while it's cooking. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to wash my hands quickly. So I'm just going to tie the middle up. So we're just going to tie around the middle here, just so it doesn't all come out while we're cooking. So, just get that nicely closed up there. Extra bit off, and then I'm going to use this bit to go around here, so we've got that all nicely secured inside there. Just tie those ends off so they don't come undone. Cut those bits off as well. Okay, so now the other thing we're going to do is we're going to tie the legs back on the up to this as well. Get that round. So we're just going to do one piece. So first of all, I'm just going to tie the legs together. So they're nice and secure. And then we're just going to tie those up around the middle here as well. And then it will fit on our fire quite nicely. Then. So for those of you who have been asking questions about the kitchen, we will be doing a video soon to go through all the equipment that we have in the kitchen and to give you a proper tour of everything. So so keep watching and we'll let you know when we're going to have a chance to do that. So there we go. That's our suckling pig ready. Now he's ready now to go onto the spit. Oh, actually, no, I've got to tie his front legs up. Nearly forgot. Just tie his front legs up the front there. Tie those up that way, I think. That's it. There we go. That's good and secure now. Just once more, make sure they stay in place. Cut the ends off like that, going fine. Now this is going to go onto the fire now, and as I say, it's going to take around about 8 hours to cook. So we shall start cooking it first thing tomorrow morning. And please join us tomorrow afternoon at 1:30. That's Saturday the 13th of June for the dishes that will go with this. So we're doing a white pea soup to go with it and an apple royal. So let's just lift this up onto there now. I'm just going to put that about halfway down. If I had more stuff in, would you sew the cavity closed? Yes, I would have done. I would have sewn that closed, but I'm only doing a small sort of quantity. It's only a small suckling pig as well, so there was just enough there was enough flesh for me to wrap it round and tie it securely. So thank you for joining us this afternoon, and I look forward to seeing you all tomorrow. Bye for now.